Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Binance Smart Chain wallet address on Mexc. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc account. Once you have logged into your Mexc exchange, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to select deposit option and click on on-chain deposit from this window. Now from the list of currencies, you need to search for any currency that offers you Binance Smart Chain network, which is equal to BEP20 network. So in this video, I will be demonstrate on USDT. Simply select USDT and click on it. And from here, you need to select. Here you can see BNB Smart Chain network at the top. So this is a network. Binance Smart Chain. Click on this and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on this and keep in mind that Binance Smart Chain and BEP20 both are equal things. And here you can see your USDT Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Binance Smart Chain wallet address on Mexc account.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.